Okay, we're here in Bethel, Connecticut, and we're going to take a look at a piering job we're doing. I'm going to show you, this is actually day one, but they've gotten quite a bit of work done. So let's take a look where we've dug out over here. I'll show you next to the house. You can see that, and they've started to mark where the piers are going to go. And I'm going to bring you around the corner where we can see where they're starting to cut out to install the piers. But let's take a walk around together over here. You can see kind of what it looks like. And if you take a peek down there, you can see a little step down crack right on the corner of the house. So that's part of the problem. This nice garage here is sinking, and one of the reasons is it's built on a hill. You can see the hill behind it where they brought the soil in to build this house on, and that's a lot of what happens is the house is built on poor soil, and then it starts to sink with could be water washing it out, just be poor soil that's making this happen. But let's take another look over here because they're doing some work. Give you an idea of what we do, then I'll show you inside the garage. Take a look over here. You can see our guy Vic is working hard over here. He might not hear me now because he's got the jackhammer going, but you can take a look, he's getting ready. See, so they're getting ready to put the piers in. And we'll take a look in the garage over here, and I'll show you what's going on. You could actually see under, maybe we'll be able to see underneath the wall. Yeah, they didn't really remove the, you can see nice. I'll show you what's happened to the slab over here. And if you take a look under there, you can see where the wall has pulled away from the slab. So this whole side is sinking down, right? So we're going to attach these piers, and we're going to lift this house back up to level and stabilize it. And I hope you don't have this issue, but if you do have this issue, I hope that we can help you out. All right, we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.